Hello guys. Hello guys, this is me and I have a sleepover, but I think no one is gonna read that. Right. Oh, look at that, so cute. This is my sleepover. Girls sleepover girls. Yeah, this is my avatar. I finally have a head. Why is nobody coming to my sleepover? Oh, that looks like the killer. Ouch! It's so boring. Oh, that girl is that a girl in a book? Oops, I accidentally burst. While I'm waiting, I'm just gonna try. I got a little carrot. Let me dance. Mm. This is the sign, not that. This is if you want to go to a sleepover, go to house 17 and no boys, only girls. 3 girls only need to go, so it could be only or you want 10 in sleepover, the other sit in the ground. Yeah. Kilo count for wow. Oh no, bruh. I hope she doesn't go here. She doesn't if she teleports you, bruh. I'm dead. Did you guys see what she wrote? Over there, did you see that something? Let me put out my binoculars. Oh, I forgot the binoculars. I mean, is this a chainsaw? Oh, wow. Yeah, if she got that, then we're really dead. Did you see that? With that killer kill count. The psychotic killer is on the loose. They say the killer wears a gold mask and is in a reporter ban. Wait lang. Sorry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! When we have found that killer is named the killer kill counter. I know it's in trail. Girl, where is she? God, where is she? Does look like Zach. The killer. What is that? Girl. What? I thought that was the spy. Wait, no way. The killer is here. I'm not wanted psycho killer Zach. Let me report. I saw the killer Zach in the play. Oh no. In the ban earlier. I saw the killer Zach in the ban earlier. I saw the Zach killer in the ban earlier. Yeah. This is her ban, right? Yeah. I'm dead. Where's that Zach? I want to talk to him. Oh, Zach. I mean, That's her they just playing in the playground. Oh my god, is that the dead girl? Are you okay? Oh my god, you just make me worried. Where's that duck? The killer. I want to see him. I mean, I'm a little. I mean, if someone jumps on this, they are dead. Hey, girl, you might kill someone and go to house. Blah blah. I don't say blah blah blah. Oh my god, I got that was the killer. Oh my god, she's so scary. Got to be kidding me. Don't look at that. Hi. Okay. Hi. Wow. If you want to know how I make my avatar, just watch. I'm done with this. And now I still need this thing. With a 10 with an X. Now I'm gonna be a killer too. Killer. Blonde and red. Blonde and red. Blonde and red. Bro, girl, boy, get away from me. Oh my god, that thing. Oh my god. Bro. Blonde. Bro, boy. Go away. I hate when she show up. Gun. Oh, thank you very much. But I don't need to. Oh, the girl is so angry. The girl is so angry because of you. Yes, she's gonna punch me. Oh my gosh. I can still see you. Red crop top. You can be the love of spider whenever you desire. Run make you so spider. I am Beanie Mika. Is that Beanie Mika? I like Beanie Mika, but I don't really sure if I like him. I'm telling the truth, guys. Don't be angry with me. I'm just telling the truth. Meow. You can be the lover of spider and every other side. Just like a runway, kiss your spider. Wings on a butterfly. I saw a tiger. Do you like my voice, guys? I'm not comparing of my voice. I think it's just ugly. But you guys, do you like it? I hope you like it. Oh no, it's glitching again. Oh man, why does it always glitch? But finally, you can be love of spider when you desire. Like a runway, kiss your spider. Wings on the butterfly, eyes at the tiger. Wait. Time to put on my name. Killer Louie. Killer Louie. Wait lang, I forgot. Nope. Wings on the butterfly, eyes of the tiger. The little giant made yourself spider. You can build the level up spider whenever you desire. I love to sing. Another killer name Killer Lee V. Top kill. He have killed none, but hide before she kill you. Oh, she lived it. That boy lived, just lived. Oh my god! Kagal. Ayan. Ayan guys. Kaldag ka sa'kin live. Ting 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 ting. What is that? I might already kill her. Bye, see you next part.